Let's open this shit up. I'ma just start that bit the old-fashioned way. I got time for. Put it in Sport Plus. Like, stop. You can hear the turbo. You definitely can hear that motherfucker. But with this air filter, we should be hearing a lot more like of enforced induction sounds and all that shit. Alright. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. Alright, so we can go ahead and pop the hood on this motherfucker. There we go. So you know, I just got the car. So far, I've only had this shit about 3 weeks. Only been able to really drive it on the weekends because of work. I already watched some videos on this. Shouldn't be too hard. This shit is, shit is cooking right now. So we're gonna see what this shit talking about. Got my filter right here. That's a couple screws. Take this one off right here. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, I'm very curious to see how much like more turbo noise is just gonna like pick up. Screw number 1 down. Got another one. Okay, so the sneaky one is the one that's down here. That's gonna be kind of tough to get to. We'll focus on taking this one out first. This next one right here. Alright, got that motherfucker off. Bet. I'm excited to get into this shit. Y'all can tell this airbox hasn't been open too much. These screws on here, like, tight. Goddamn. Yeah, I think a part of me is getting impatient. Let's get this motherfucker off, bro. I'm kind of just showing you, like, the process versus just trying to give you steps on how to do it, because I'm over here learning this shit from other people on YouTube. So this one is gonna be a bitch to get to right here. Yeah, I can see how this part right here can be kind of tough just because of how far down this last screw is into the fucking engine bay. Yes. These screws also actually kind of act as like bolts too. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I have a nut driver and it's 5 1/16. So if you have a 5 1/16 nut driver, you can also use that. Once you do that, you're gonna want to take this out right here. You can take it out by taking out the clip that's gonna be in here. I already took that out. Yeah, once you take these out, they're kind of hard to really take out perfectly to where you don't damage them, but they're easy to replace. I got on. Clip this. Clip this. Once you get this out, don't be too afraid to pull on it a little bit. This isn't a tutorial, guys, by the way. I'm just take this shit out right here. Finally was able to get this shit off, squeeze this shit off. So, man, this shit used to take like 10 minutes on my old Acura. But finally, god damn, I done had to move around so many tools. There's the PRL right here. You know what I'm saying? Drop-in intake. It's crazy. I think that PRL actually gave credits to Acura. They said that they actually kind of liked how they designed the airflow, the air filter and airflow setup on this car. This airbox is in such a tight, cramped ass space. I don't really like this. Whole engine bay is pretty cramped, but goddamn. Put everything back together, you know what I'm saying? It shouldn't take too long. And then I'm gonna probably do some little quick little cold start, do a couple revs, see if I can hear the difference, then probably take it down on a strip. I started at 9 something, it's almost 12. So yeah, I'm gonna knock this out, and next time you see me, we're gonna have some clips of what this sounds like. Remote start from the phone. definitely sounds a little louder. I ain't gonna cap. But it could be just that because it's a cold start. Y'all tell me. Biggest thing here is that you don't want to see no codes. So no codes. Put this in Sport Plus. No codes, no codes. Yes, sir. Let's fucking do it. It's just an air filter, but it's like how tricky it was compared to how it used to be on my old car. This is crazy. You know what I'm saying? All right. So I'm gonna give a couple. Let me just. I definitely hear that turbo a little bit more. Hold on. Yeah, like when the turbo gets to idling down a little bit, I definitely hear it a little bit more. That's how it sounds from the cabin. It's late as fuck, so I'm not trying to wake up like my neighbors and shit. I'm not trying to be a dickhead, but I'm not gonna lie. I gotta take that bitch at least for one run. Bro, I fucking love this car, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I feel like I love it because everybody else, it's not even, that's like, it's so underrated for what it is, you know what I'm saying? For what you getting at this price point, you know what I'm saying? At least the 2021s to 2023s. Put my seatbelt on. Like, man, like, you get the balance between luxury, good horsepower, you know what I'm saying? Man, this motherfucker with me wanna act a fool. Alright, we're gonna run this in sequential. Keep it at D2. Put some little power in there. I keep forgetting this is a 10-speed, so it got hella gears. Shit for me too. Brembos was no joke. Alright, come out of the corner. Woo! 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 This is sexy shit to that car, boy. For y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all probably just gonna hear mostly wood though. Like it's definitely a slight sound increase, but nothing that's gonna be like game changer. You know what I'm saying? This is, yeah. It's a sexy beast. It's a sexy beast. Ah, shit. Illegal Yui. Yeah, I think we're gonna just pot it real quick. Do this real quick. Tell me. Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me if y'all hear it. That was me revving it out with the windows fully up so y'all can really get a feel for it. Y'all tell me. That shit something. Tell me. I'm gonna do one more rev rip real quick. We're gonna call it a night. Shit, make that motherfucker come alive. alive. Okay. Don't tell me you turning, man. Put on your fucking signals, bro. I don't know. Either way, it was worth it.